Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows update with the error code 0x80D02014 in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So the error typically points to something went wrong with the update process that may be caused by many factors such as faulty update components, a lack of sufficient disk space, or conflicts with other devices, and corrupted Windows update cache files. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to click on the search menu, and then here at the bottom of your Windows, then you need to type troubleshoot settings, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at troubleshoot settings, and then on right side, and then you need to select this additional troubleshooters and then click. And then once you open up this additional troubleshooters, and the next step, then you need to select this Windows Update, and then you need to click. And then you can see now this run the troubleshooters, and then you need to tap and pop up this Windows Update detecting problems, and then we will wait to complete the initializings and diagnostic process. Okay, so troubleshooting has completed that problems found Windows Update issues. So this is the one detected, and the next step, then we need to follow the screen instruction of this to fix this error. And also you can view the detailed informations about these issues. Alright, so once you're done here at Windows Update Troubleshooters, and then we need to close. And the next solutions that we're going to do is to reset the Windows Update components. So all you have to do is to click on search menu, and then you need to type this CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to select this run as administrator if you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then we need to type this command keyword ipconfig space/slash DNS. So just type this command keyword ipconfig space/slash DNS, that is one word, and then press enter. And successfully flash the DNS resolver cache. And the next command keyword that we need to enter, so just type this command keyword NATSH space WANSUC space reset. So just type this command keyword NATSH space WANSUC space reset, and then press enter. And successfully reset the WANSUC catalog, and then you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So we need to close this CMD, and then here at the start menu, and then we need to restart to fix this error. And then after restarting this PC, and if the error still persists, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to run the SFC and dsem command. So all you have to do is to click again on search menu, and then you need to type this CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to click this run as administrator if you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up this administrator command prompt, and the next step, then we need to type this command keyword sfc space/scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space up system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. And this command keyword sfc scan now is a command used in Windows to run the system file checker, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications. And then verifications 100% complete. And the next command keyword that we need to enter, so just copy this command keyword dsem space/online space/cleanup dash image space/restore health. So copy this command keyword, so use keyboard shortcut Control plus C to copy this command. And the next step, then we need to paste in here Control plus B and then press enter. And deployment image servicings and management tool. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. Okay, so the version's completed successfully. And the next step, then we need to close this CMD. And then here at start menu, and then we need to restart this PC to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows Update error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows guide tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.